And hello there, Super Sentai fans and folks. This is Mix Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mix Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest from the SMP or Shokugan modeling project. We have the RV Robo. Yes, so this is the Turbo Rangers. In Power Rangers counterpart, this is the Turbo Rangers. Megazord. And this is, in the Japanese Super Sentai, this is the Car Rangers. Yeah. So, anyways, as you can see in the box art, this is the RV Robo. We have all of the vehicles there, and of course the Ranger stand there, and how it will be formed as a robot. Off to the side, here it is. Oh, and off to the back is just this one. Side, there it is, and open it up and see what's inside the box. We have, all right, one bag. So we have some clear parts here, some pre-colored parts also, and another bag here, which, there you go, has black and gray. Another bag, just gray and blue. Oh, sorry, white and blue. Lastly, we have this bag here, and of course the bag with the instruction manual, and of course a very big sticker sheet and a gum. So let's take a look individually at each of the screws and runners. Okay, so first up we have the pre-colored parts. The what's this? The B, the D, and I think this is the J. And yeah, some screwless parts that are definitely part of the robot. Then we have the A screw here. We don't have the B because of the S right there. We have the C screw here, which is white. We have the E, all gray. And then we have the F, which is all blue here. We have the G screw, which is all black, plus all of the tires are there. H contains most of the gray and metal parts, like the bumpers and stuff, and the shield. I is also all gray, so the rims, K is green. L here is the yellow. We have M here, all black, and N here is also all black, and O, so all black. We then have again sticker sheet, which is very big. These are for the tires and the individual cars. We have the instruction manual here, which is a fold out, very big. And of course, there's some instructions on how to form the RV Robo or the Turbo Megazord. And there you have it, Super Sentai fans and folks. That is what's inside the box of the latest Shokugan modeling project, the RV Robo. And this is for saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, doing the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.